Welcome. If you've ever wanted to change your display name on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Whether your current name feels outdated, too casual, or you just want something fresh, updating it only takes a few seconds. Let's walk through it together. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your Bitmoji or profile icon. Tap on it. This takes you directly to your profile page, where all your account details live. Now that you're on your profile, find your current display name. It should be right near the top. Tap on your name and Snapchat will give you the option to edit it. This is where you can get creative. Whether you want to use your real name, a nickname, or something fun and unique that your friends will instantly recognize. After you've typed in your new display name, double-check it to make sure everything looks exactly how you want. Spelling, capitalization, even emojis if you're using